You know, I got a good one. So say it's Christmas time and I'm going to start singing.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, honestly, it'll be funny. Trust me.
Okay, so it's Christmas time. You were supposed to say.
No, I thought you were going to say.
Oh, hey. Hi, everyone. This is Face It, the Holiday Edition, hosted by me, Tracy P. This is a show where I do makeup tutorials with a side order of lifestyle advice. Every week, I invite some pretty amazing people to sit in my makeup chair. We chat, we laugh, we sing, and sometimes we even cry. But we never let our mascara run. Before I start today's episode, I want to encourage you to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment below because I want your love. I want you to remind love me, love me. Okay, let's face it. So like I said before, this is the holiday edition, and there's no one more that I would love to do a holiday glam on than my good friend, Mairlyn Smith. Woo! Claps all around. Yes. Mairlyn, tell them what you do.
Okay, well, we're not sure, but I mean, seriously, I used to be on the show. Well, I am still on the show, but not in the studio, but or whatever. I write cookbooks. I'm a legend in my own house. I'm the queen of fiber. I am the queen of fiber. I'm a bit of a hot number.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes, and throw it on the ground.
Oh, yeah. I don't even smoke, but it looked good.
Me
Anyway,
either.
yeah.
Never have in my life. And I know they're going to take all of that out. So it is Christmas time.
Have a holly jolly Christmas.
That's
And I
what I love
hope
about
you don't be, I don't know the rest of the words. I don't know the
Me
first
either.
line.
But we are going to be showing you how to do the perfect holiday lip.
Kissable?
Kissable, yes,
lips.
kissable. For
Well,
taking
just my
down
husband.
the mask. Just your
Yeah.
husband.
Yeah.
Not me. We can line them up for me. So let's get started. Let's face it. You have to do this when I do that. Let's face it. Face it.
Let's face it.
Face it.
Face it.
First step, what you want to do is you want to block your lips. Block your lips means like you take your favorite concealer, your favorite foundation, and you're gonna wipe out the color of your lips. Sometimes what happens is, I know she's like looking at me like I'm
Will it look like I have a mouth?
Yeah, well, it will look really strange when you do it in the beginning. But really what it is when you're doing a red lip, you don't want your natural lip color to compromise the color that you put on top.
It's science.
And also when you're putting the concealer or the foundation, it helps the red stay on a lot longer.
So it's not like all over your face.
Right, we're not going for the
tip.
Joker. Remember, this is the holidays. And that's what you want to do is wipe out the lip, and then what I'm going to do is set that with a little powder.
Dear God.
I know, it's scary, but
terrifying.
just, you're going to be the only one who sees it when you're doing it at home.
Right.
So
and
just,
all of these people.
And like I said, you always want to lightly dust powder over it just to set it, again, so we don't want the concealer or the foundation moving around. And then I'm going to ask you, what is your favorite part about the holidays?
Oh, I love the food, but I really like the lights and the magic and the promise of hope. Like it's very.
I wasn't expecting that kind of profound answer from you.
No.
Okay.
No, because for me, it's a real family, quiet it's like a real special time. Yeah, and eating. yeah.
Well, that was my answer. I
eating.
just like eating.
Yeah.
I just like the food part of it.
Well, and special foods, like traditional Christmas foods. Like, are there certain foods that you only have at Christmas?
Here's the thing, and don't hate me, okay? I know we're going with the whole red theme here. I can't stand cranberry sauce. I hate it. I know, whatever, you all shoot me, whatever, I don't care. Everybody loves it, I don't understand. The sweet with the turkey, it's gross.
No, I put booze in mine though. There's Grand Marnier and
okay.
orange. But it is sweet, but
You
mine's
put
more
booze
tart.
in yours.
Oh, yeah. So I have adult, child version, so yeah.
Do you ever mix them up?
Sometimes on purpose, no. No, I don't. I just said that to be silly.
All right, so as we mature, we get a little bit older, and I'm noticing it on myself as well, little fine lines everywhere, and especially around the mouth.
Yeah.
So you don't want that makeup wiggling into those lines, getting into those lines, so we're gonna get a lip liner. So what this does is kind of creates like a little bit of a fence around your lips, right? It keeps the color inside, and then you're also gonna just fill your lips in with the lip liner as well. Now, don't overdo it. Like if someone has a small lips, don't overdraw, but you can cheat a little bit, especially right down here, because your lip naturally curls under a little bit there, so you can just kind of cheat a little bit right through there and a little bit right at the Cupid's bow. That's what I like about lip liners too, is they can kind of create the lip that you desire. We put the concealer down, we're also putting the lip liner down. This isn't moving. You can eat the turkey, the cranberry, the eggnog, all of it. She's like, oh, the eggnog.
I'm out.
But you can do it all because it's gonna last a long time if you do these two things, right? And like I said, and it's gonna stay in place and not travel into the fine lines. So as we mature too, like our skin changes, right? And that changes how we apply makeup. Have you noticed that? Have you faced any challenges or things that you had to switch up?
So I've always said that even though my skin is maturing, I'm immature. So, and that's okay. And I like that. I don't want to be the other way around, right? Okay. I don't want to change, but I have to moisturize the heck out of my face. So I had to do serum, sometimes a toner, then some. Like there's like it's a mission impossible. Like I'll be in the bathroom for an hour and a half.
It is. It's like I'll be in here for 90 minutes. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Well, Mairlyn, I see you're all decked out in this red number. You look very hot. Look at this. Fabulous! Like she's giving Dorothy a run for her money. So besides those shoes, what do you do that makes you feel glam?
So I usually wear sparkles or some kind of sparkly earrings, yeah. And I always feel more glamorous with lipstick and eyes.
That red lip with this red number, I'm telling you, it's too hot. Like I can't even stand next to you. I'm hot. Like I'm sweating. Like I can't take it. It's too hot. So listen, as we get older, ageism is a thing, right? So you look fabulous, but have you experienced ageism at any point?
In two different ways. In professionally, I have certainly as an actress. I think the last time I auditioned for a big part, I was in my mid-40s, and I went up for a 70-year-old real estate agent, and I got the part. And that's sad because the room—
In your 40s?
In my 40s, because you know the world of television, film, and all that kind of stuff wants us to look younger than what we are. And that's when I thought, you know, red light, you know, you gotta find another career. So that's kind of when I switched into my foodie stuff, because I have a degree in foods and nutrition from University of British Columbia.
Another thing, check, that she has, like another thing, just another fabulous thing about Mairlyn.
So that's the first time I noticed ageism. It's like being dismissed too.
Yes.
Like dismissed before you even got to prove how wonderful you were. And so that really bugs me that people just write you off, you know, and it's like, no! I've never felt smarter, wiser, funnier, like more fun. Like I feel—
Me too. I feel I get better with age.
I agree 1,000%. I mean, come on, like you're allowed to get old if you look young.
So that was actually a gem. Say it again.
You're allowed to get old as long as you look young.
Right.
And everybody can approach aging the way they want to, but the way that I choose is that this is what happens, and I'm going to embrace it because that's just what happens, you know? And so it really pisses me off that we go, wow, she looks fabulous, because like she looked like she had some work done that made her 20 years younger. Why can't we look at this and go, wow, she looks fabulous? It's like pretending that, no, this happened naturally. It's like, bite me, it did not. You know, like, come on. The one that I always get, people go, oh my gosh, you know, you look like blah blah in your picture, and it's lighting. So as long as you have good lighting, you don't have to use a filter.
Yes,
so I make sure that where's the light? Look to the light, you know, find your light. So that's helped me with my pictures.
I know entertainment reporters, and I will not say names, but they said like certain actresses who are of a particular age, they will not even start their interviews unless the lighting is particular. They know, because it is all about the lighting. And then when you see it, you're like, oh my God, they look fantastic.
Yeah, right? I should carry one around.
So we're all done, and you look fabulous. You look
Thank
perfect
you.
for Christmas Day. Look at
Thank
you.
you. Will you come over to my house?
I will definitely come to your house, especially if you're gonna cook. But like I said, no cranberry sauce. Although maybe I'll take the one with a little booze in it, though.
Really
If that's what you can do.
It's a game changer.
And I really like to watch those really bad Christmas movies. You know those really bad ones, like where the woman moved to a small town and she falls in love with a guy, and somehow they bring
those ones. Oh,
I
okay.
love my family. We love watching those movies. That's like my favorite thing to do on Christmas Day. We watch the worst movies. Like, the worse it is, the better it is.
I love it. My sister would be there in a minute. She watches them all December. And my husband's been in several of them.
Oh, he
Yeah,
has.
Spot Scott.
Oh, Spot Scott. I'm going to play that this holiday season. Spot Scott.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fun.
Yeah, it's good.
You look fabulous. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe because she's amazing and this is amazing. Oh, click that button.
Click the button. Click the like button. We want to hear from you as well, so comment below. Thanks for watching and happy holidays.
Have a holly jolly
Christmas.
Christmas. And don't you forget the words.
Me too. I don't remember
That
how
is
it goes.
But we're having a fun